Dave's going to try a third box of 2001 SP Authentic Golf. Looking for that Tiger rookie auto. That would make my week if we pulled that card. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Mike Weir. Tiger insert. Alright, autograph coming up. Autograph coming up. And it is very nice. Sign of the Times autograph. Adam Scott. That's a pretty sweet one. Not Tiger, but he actually might be playing better than Tiger now. Tiger's old swing, aka the best swing. All right, then we. Ooh, nice! I like this. Gary McCord, tour swatch. The mustache, the handlebar. Yeah, I don't think Adam Scott has any problem with ladies. Except he probably gets so many numbers that he doesn't know what to do with. Another Tiger insert. All right, and right on top here, we've got a Tom Weiskopf. Sign of the Times. Nice. That's been an awesome box so far. Little Jack Nicklaus insert. There's John Daly. Long John. And a Michael Clark, number 229.99 insert. And last pack, Dave. Finish up with old school Gene Sarazen. All right, very nice hit on the Adam Scott auto. Appreciate it, buddy. All right, round 3 was the best.